Hey guys, what is going on? It is RC Knockout and I am back with another video. Now if you are new to my channel, my name is Nolan. In today's video I have got the Cheapest Traxxas Stampede Project out with me. As you can see, I put on a new wheelie bar. So the most recent video I ran with this machine, I was at the sand at a local beach and I broke the Traxxas wheelie bar. And I thought about making an upgrade video on this, but this is a wheelie bar I had laying around. I was gonna put it on my Traxxas drag slash. That's what it's actually made for the drag slash. I thought, why not go ahead and throw it on here? Looks kind of funny, it sticks out quite a bit. It is made completely out of aluminum. I wouldn't be able to tell you off the top of my head what brand this is. It doesn't have any bearings in the wheels. They are rubber wheels. It has a little bit of adjustment. I have it set to the highest setting, which I feel like is the best for a basher. I'm just hoping this doesn't interfere too much with bashing it, with how far out this extends. I mean, it extends like probably 8-10 inches out behind the rear wheels. So it's a pretty large wheelie bar. Looks a bit obnoxious, but it should do the trick. But we're out today. We're gonna run this thing with a 3-cell pack. I also got a 2-cell because the packs don't last very long with the gearing I'm running. I'm running the high-speed optional gearing. But first we're going to throw in the 5200 milliamp ADC discharge rate 3-cell Huvo pack. And we're just going to rip around, maybe jump the road over there, bash her in the snow. Should be a heck of a lot of fun. So let me go ahead and get it powered up. We're going to jump right in this video. Got her all powered up. It's time to rock and roll. Let's get a launch on the pavement and then we're gonna go straight to jumping this thing before this 3-cell pack dies. Because these packs don't last but 10 minutes or less, and I've already been running this thing for a different video. I was doing a bit of a drag competition between a bunch of my RCs, so this 3-cell pack already has a few passes on it. So it will probably only last like 5 minutes. But here we go for a launch. Ready, get set, go! Kind of goes wherever she wants to go, but let's do one more. Ready, get it, go! Tires are spinning. Let's get her flipped over. The wheelie bar does its job, so I'm happy with it. Did I already kill my power? Did this battery already die? You gotta be joking with me. Well, that might already be the end of the 3-cell pack, so let me throw a 2-cell in and then we'll jump the road. That's disappointing. I literally thought we'd have at least 5 minutes on it, but it literally just killed the power. The way this ESC tells you is it just shuts the power down. Well, 2-cell pack time, I guess. All right, guys, I'm back. I got a 2-cell pack installed, so here we go. To be honest, it's down a little bit on power compared to 3-cell, but 2-cell, this thing's still a hoot. I can show you a launch on 2-cell is still pretty rowdy. Here we go. See, it's not like the thing's down on power or anything with a 2-cell pack. Still can pull wheelies instantly. But we better get to jumping because this pack's not gonna last but 10 minutes or less, like I said. All right, here we go. Gonna build up some speed. Not bad. I mean, it got a little bit of air, not a ton.
Not bad.
Spin around, jump back across. We're just not getting the traction though. On the brakes, and let's bring her again. So far on the jumping front, that wheelie bar is not getting in the way. Nice. This thing jumps so good. I mean, it's not getting a ton of air on this jump, but it jumps so good. So flat. All right, we got another person walking, so let's get down here in the grass and rip her in the snow. Let's get a launch in. You guys ready? Get set, go!
Oh.
You can kind of see it searching for traction, and that planetary diff is just screaming, I think, in this situation. On the brakes. Ready, get set, go! Yeah, she scoots, that's for sure. Give this video a thumbs up, by the way, if you're enjoying it. Because it is cold out. And your boy's out here in the cold, no gloves on. It's like 10 degrees out. We got a little bit of ice right here. Got some cyclones on the ice. Not even going anywhere. I'm slightly worried these tires are literally gonna bust open, but it's not even going anywhere, guys. There, give it just a little bit of throttle, then it moves. That planetary diff is trying to figure out what to do though. It's just unloading the power from side to side. Doesn't want to go straight. I am just full throttle, wide open. All right, going back to jumping the road. Spin her around, and here she comes. I am pinned. I'm pinned, but then I just tap the brakes a little bit, and she lands nice. It already hit low voltage mode, guys. I can't believe how fast that hit low voltage mode. We've barely been going for 5 minutes. I might want to gear this thing down. I'm running the high-speed optional gearing, which I believe is a 21. It's either a 21 or a 23 tooth. It might be a 23 tooth and an 86 tooth spur gear. I might want to, at the very least, throw the 92 spur back in, because the battery just does not last long, and it's done. It's done like that. So, very quick video. The 3-cell pack lasted like a minute, but I had some runs on it. This only lasted like 5 minutes. But if you guys did enjoy this little bash with the Cheapest Traxxas Stampede Project, go ahead, hit that like button. Make sure to subscribe, hit that bell. Stay tuned for future videos. As of right now, the wheelie bar is holding up good, and it didn't seem to get in the way in this video. So, I'm happy with it so far. So, thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Later.